In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Charger key fob. This key fob here was used on Chargers since 2011 all the way up to present day, and it just takes one of these CR2032 batteries to run. It's really easy to change the battery yourself at home. You can just follow along, and just takes a couple minutes. Just if you want to get one of these online, I will leave a link down in the description to pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. First step, turn this thing over and find the switch on the back, hold that down, and pull out your internal key. Now you can see right here the keyhole, and then above that a little indentation for opening this thing up. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, put it in there, hold firmly, and twist, just turning without too much pressure. You will start to open up the key fob, and then what I like to do is put the tool in and just work my way down, twisting until it comes apart very easily. Okay, now all we need to do is take our flathead screwdriver, kind of get under the battery coming in from the side. You just pry it up, it will pop right out, and there it is, CR2032. Can take your new one and make sure that this positive side goes face down and goes right back into place like that. You need to, let's put that down for a second. You need to make sure that you slide the battery in towards this metal component first, getting that side down, and then just click the other side into place until it, sits there without moving. And now we just click these two pieces back together. Make sure the seam is nice and aligned, and you can just put your key back in, and you are all set and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment, and for more information on how to change the battery for any of your key fobs for any maker model, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel or visit fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.